Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at your LCD or laser cutting device memory overload. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on the tips and tricks, and I'll also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, in today's video, we're going to be looking at, like I mentioned, the laser cutting device memory overload. Now, this can happen if, in most cases, your device has more than 100 files loaded to it. So this is your actual machine. So it's not your app over here or your program. So if you've uploaded more than 100 files, it can get a LCD memory overload problem. So in order to fix that, what you can do is we go here to our dock tab on our control panel on the right, making sure your machine is connected to your actual computer. Then what you do is you go to read, and then you'll click that and it will pop up a list of all the files on your computer. Now you can simply select and delete ones, but by the time you buy 100 and you're not using them anymore, you could always go delete all, and then that will clear out all the files from your laser cutting device's memory. So yeah, once again, it's rather simple. So what you want to do is you go to your dock on your control panel, click read, and then delete individual ones or delete all. And yeah, that's about it on that. It's not so much of a tip or a trick, I guess more of a tip. But yeah, so it'll be silly making a category of its own or a mini series of its own for that. But yeah, that concludes the video. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za website, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and yeah, just let us know which software it's for, and then we'll do our best to try and make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.